Hi, I'm Chef Carl, and I'm going to tell you more about all the benefits of bar and equipment. Let's take a look at how to achieve fast and efficient service with Talent Multifunction and Evofryer. We're using Talent Multifunction in Bratt-pan mode to prepare a classic ratatouille at the same time as Evofryer to cook the lamb cutlets. So, we lift the lid, set the Bratt-pan function to user-friendly touchscreen panel, selecting the preheating function which allows Talent to reach the set temperature fast. We then set the time and the temperatures, which will be controlled automatically by Talent. We then add the various ingredients to the Talent tank, beginning with the base to start up the cooking of the vegetables. Once cooking of the ratatouille has begun, we can start frying the lamb cutlets in the Evofryer. The recipes can be stored in the program for full control of service. We select the parameters we want, choose the recipe stored in the program, and at the end of cooking, the basket is lifted automatically at the end of the time set, ensuring optimal and well-timed results every time. As you can see, while the cutlets are frying, Talent cooks the ratatouille independently. The automatic functions and the possibility of storing recipes allow multitasking and faster expedition of orders, guaranteeing efficient service and streamlining the workload in the kitchen. The dish is ready to be served at the table. Prompt and efficient service with Talent and Evofryer. Thanks for watching. I'm Chef Carlo.